All electronics out of your bags now. Shoes go in the gray bins. Step right up.
Okay.
You know that moment you're at the airport, the line is moving, your heart is beating fast.
And suddenly the officer looks at you and says something in fast English, and your brain just freezes.
Yes. You, Oliver Backover and Samir.
Yes, that exact moment. Welcome back, everyone.
I'm John.
Bella,
And I'm Bella. You're listening to Speak English Naturally.
where we help you use real English in real life.
Today, airport security. Everything they say to you, everything you need to say back.
And we're keeping it real. No textbook English.
Just the stuff that actually works.
Have you ever felt nervous at airport security?
Every single time.
Yeah.
Even now.
Really? Why?
I think it's because the officer looks very serious.
Yeah.
And you feel like, did I do something wrong?
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But here's the truth. They ask the same questions every single day.
To hundreds of people. So
Yeah.
they're not trying to trick you. They just need quick, simple answers.
Yeah. Okay. You walk up to the first officer. The very first thing they say is, man,
Boarding pass and ID, please. That's it. 4 words.
What? Right.
So, Kwai, boarding pass is your ticket,
Mhm.
the paper or phone screen that shows your flight.
Mhm.
John?
and ID means identification, your passport,
Passport.
or sometimes a national ID card.
Bella Pro tip tall. Get them ready before you reach the front.
Yeah.
Don't start digging in your bag while people wait behind you.
Exactly. And that's great news for English learners.
Because simple questions per hour mean simple answers.
I learned that the hard way. Very awkward.
We're awkward.
Mm-hmm.
We've all been there, John. Okay, now this is where most people panic.
Yeah.
The tray area.
There are so many things to take out,
Yes.
and the officer is watching you.
Let's break it down. The officer will say, put your bag on the belt.
The belt is the moving black strip that carries your things into the scanner.
Yeah. Then they'll say, use a tray for small things.
Mhm.
Phone, keys, coins.
And very important, laptop in a separate tray, please.
Separate means not alone.
By itself.
Nothing else in that tray.
And don't forget your belt.
Your watch.
And sometimes your jacket.
Basically, if it has metal blouse,
Yes.
it goes in the tray.
yeah.
Okay. This one gets almost everyone.
The water bottle.
The officer will ask, is your water bottle empty?
And if it's not empty, they'll say, you cannot bring water through. Please throw it away.
Liquids over 100 milliliters are not allowed past security. That's about 1 small yogurt cup.
They're not being mean. It's a security rule in most airports around the world.
Yeah.
But the empty bottle,
Yeah.
you can keep it. Fill it up on the other side.
Fill it up on the other side.
Life hack right there. Wow.
You're welcome.
Okay. The body scanner. This one scares people the most.
It looks intimidating, but it's actually very fast.
Step forward, please. Stand here.
Arms up.
Arms up.
Stay still.
Arms up. Hap. Like this.
And stay still means, right, don't move
Yeah.
for like 3 seconds.
And then bunning, you're done.
Yeah.
All done. You can step out now. Wow.
That's all. No pain, no problem. Just a few seconds.
It just looks.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't do anything to you.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Favorite part of today's episode.
Yeah. The 3 magic phrases. Use these whenever you don't understand.
Yeah. Could you say that again?
This means Bess, please repeat.
Very polite.
Very normal.
Could you speak a little slower?
Obviously was earlier.
Officers hear this all the time. They will not be annoyed.
They will just slow down.
And number 3, I'm sorry, one more time, please.
Simple, polite, powerful.
And here's the thing, Dred. These phrases work everywhere.
Restaurants, shops,
Hotels.
not just airports. Save them, practice them, use them. And sometimes, Duet, they stop your bag.
Yeah.
And a different officer says, come, step over here for a quick bag check.
And you think, but what did I do?
Nothing.
Yeah.
The machine just flagged something unusual.
It happens to everyone.
They might ask, do you have any liquids in your bag?
Nice.
What is in your bag?
I have a laptop.
Mm-hmm.
I have clothes and a book.
Don't over-explain. The officer doesn't need your life story.
Yeah.
And if they say something you didn't understand, use the magic phrases.
You're through the scanner.
Yeah.
Almost done.
Yeah.
But this is where people make mistakes.
They forget things in the tray.
Belts, watches, coins, keys, phones.
Take everything from the tray.
Quick tip, Tim. Before you walk away, do a mental checklist. Bag, laptop, phone, keys, belt, shoes, jacket.
And there are usually benches nearby to put your shoes back on.
Use them. Don't try to walk and dress at the same time. I have done that. It did not go well.
Can I share something that sounds simple, TAVO, but actually works?
Please.
Smile. That's it.
That's it. A small smile says that I'm calm, I'm friendly, I have nothing to hide.
Officers are humans. They respond to kindness.
And if they're kind to you, Kraft, just say thank you.
2 words.
Very powerful.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Even better.
You'd be surprised how much that brightens someone's day.
Yeah. Brittany Ray.
Yeah. Okay, quick quiz. Are you ready? Yeah.
Question 1, the officer says, boarding pass and ID. What do you show them?
Write your answer in the comments. No peeking.
Question 2, like, you have water in your bottle.
What do you do?
Question 3 task. The officer speaks too fast. Which phrase do you use?
All 3 answers why? In the comments below. Let's see who gets them all.
We read every single comment. So write yours now.
All right, let's put it all together.
Bella, you're the officer. I'm the traveler.
Boarding pass and ID, please.
All right, let's put it all together. Bella, you're the officer. I'm the traveler.
Boarding pass and ID, please.
Here you go.
Please put your bag on the belt and remove your laptop, Terry. Separate tray.
Sorry, Nat, could you say that again? Navo.
Of course. Laptop in a separate tray, please.
And that one is airport security in English, start to finish.
Remember, Tay, you don't need perfect English. You just need the right phrases.
Boarding pass and ID, separate tray, arms up.
Stay
Could you
still.
tell?
Oh,
And could you say that again? Could you speak a little slower?
Those 7 things, and you will sail through security every time.
if you found this helpful, subscribe to Speak English Naturally. We're here every week with real English for real life.
Drop your quiz answers in the comments and tell us why. Where are you flying to next?
We'd love to know. Safe travels, everyone.
See you in the next one.